Hi everyone, welcome back to Mink WinLab. Today, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Windows Edition from Home to Pro. First, let me show you that I'm currently using Windows 11 version 25H2 Home Single Language. Now, open the Change Windows Edition ISO file. I'll leave the download link in the comments below so you can get it. Right-click the file and run it as administrator. As you can see, it lists the available editions you can switch to. Here, I'm going to choose the Professional Edition, which is number 2. Press number 1 to continue. Your computer will automatically restart and switch to the new edition. So the computer has successfully restarted. Now, I'm going to check which edition of Windows I'm currently using. As you can see, the edition has now changed to Windows 11 Pro 25H2. That means it worked. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to catch more interesting Windows tips. Good luck, everyone!